see about the nervous system. So in a human body, nervous system is very important for a human being as well as animals. Okay, the structure of neurons. There are millions of neurons are there, types of neurons, and the human nervous system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system, and reflex action. And in this lesson, you will have a part of the brain. There are numerous nerves are there in the brain, and midbrain, forebrain, hindbrain, and hypothalamus, thalamus, and medulla oblongata. All these parts, what are the parts, how it is working, what are the instructions given to by the heart, by the brain, all these things are in the brain. So draw the diagram. Many times you can make a draw with this only. You can exhibit in the exam nicely. So structure of neuron and types of neuron. Structure of neurons, regularly they are asking the structure of neuron. If they ask question alone, structure of neuron, you can draw the structure and you can label the parts. If they ask explain and structure of neuron, if you should draw the diagram and you should explain the parts as well as. And the human nervous system. The nervous system will be based on the spinal cord with the brain, and from the brain it will be elongated with the spinal cord. On all these things here, on important points I written, you should be memorize all these things. What is that and what are the purpose it is used in our body, and all these things you should remember. That is our nervous system. And 16th is plant and animal hormone. Again it is a plant and animal, so it is a zoology part. Hormone. Without hormone we are not able to do any things, even our joyful or our tears or any situation, excitement, everything is because of the hormone. How we are reacting is full of hormones. So it's a very interesting lesson, I think. Types of hormone. Many hormones are there in our body. Beyond upon the hormone only, how we are reacting to the other person. While we are getting so much angry because of our hormone, while we are getting so depressed, or we are being very sensitive, short temper, all these because of a hormone which is having inside our body. And pancreas and thyroid gland, all these diagrams you already learned in the practical exam. This pancreas, thyroid, adrenal, these all glands you just write and see what is the adrenal gland, what is gonads, and testis and ovary. This is a male reproductive system and female reproductive system, how it is made up of, and all these things you can do into the plant and animal hormones. So the important points I wrote and put these definition you should learn, what, why, that difference between definitions, all the questions you should learn compulsory. And the next one is reproduction in plants and animals, and again it is a biology. So because plants and animals, reproduction in plants takes place and reproduction in animals also takes place. First topic is reproduction in plants, how the reproduction takes place, and pollination will be takes place from one plant to the another plant. Self-pollination will be there, and cross-pollination will be there, and many pollination will be there. Advantages also there and disadvantages also there. So that is the reproduction in the plants. And reproduction in human being. So humans, how they are reproducing, the thing that we go through already in the classes. The male reproductive system and female reproductive system, that is ovary and testis. Inside the ovary and ovule and menstruation cycle is very important for the reproductive system. So menstruation cycle, what are the hygienic process, how the female is getting the menstruation cycle, what are the purpose of getting a menstruation cycle, why after the pregnancy the woman cannot get the menstruation cycle, the detailed explanation all there in your textbooks. Please go through all these things in the reproduction in our plants and animals. The next 18th topic is heredity. It's a very important topic and a very interesting topic also. So inside in our human being, what are the hormones are there, chromosomes are there, and DNA, gene, how we are reacting like our grandparents, how we are reacting like our old many generation gap and all. This seen because of the heredity. First important point is homohybrid, another one is the dihybrid, and chromosomes. I already explained this chromosomes. Chromosomes are 23 pairs of chromosomes. 22 pairs of chromosomes are be equal into the as well as men and women. So next one is DNA and gene. This is determining our DNA, our own DNA, our own gene, and types of chromosome. And very important thing is Watson and Crick model. This is very important. We have a diagram for the DNA DNA. Please remember all the diagrams, work it out. These are repeated question. And DNA and sex determination mutation. The sex determination is how the baby is a male or female is determined due to the only father. Okay. Next, mutation. All these points are very important into the heredity lesson. Go through what are the important points I told you. The next lesson we are going to see is origin and evaluation of life. In this, I am taking the important topics along. Theory, origin in life. How the origin is life started and the theories you should learn. And then evaluation. Two parts are there in evaluation. One is ethnobotany and another one is a paleobotany, and definition and some detailed explanations are there in this textbooks. Please refer that and make use of it. And theory of evaluation. There are two theories are there. One is Lamarckism, that is use and diffuse theory. The name of the theory is use-diffuse theory. And Darwinism is the theory of natural selection. And this is the name of the person who made the theory name. And next, hot questions. Book back, you will have the hot questions that you should learn into the origin and evaluation of life lesson. Okay. Next, we are going to see about the breeding and biotechnology. Breeding is outbreeding and inbreeding is there. In between the mutual breeding should be there. And next is outbreeding is there. Hybrid, stem cells. And these are the important topics. And gene therapy and stem gene therapy, cloning and rDNA. These are the important topics are there in the breeding and biotechnology. Make use of all these things and draw and see the stem cells and diagrams, how it is make the possibles of stem cells from one person to another person. What are the difference between outbreeding and inbreeding, and what is called as a breeding, all these things in the biotechnology and breeding. And the next lesson we are going to see is the health and disease lesson. Very interesting lesson. Many subtopics are there in the lesson, and make use of this lesson. You can get any 2 or 4 more questions from this lesson. Abuse, child abuse and sexual abuse, and the act put by the government when and which act, name of the act, like POSCO Act, due to the abuse of the sexual and the child abuse. And drug, 2 types of drug, one is alcohol and another consumption of tobacco drug, they given the detail, and hazards of tobacco. If you intake the tobacco, what are the hazards you can take into it, and harmful effects of alcohol. And this question 2 or 3 years before, evil effects of alcohol, they might ask questions from that. So remember into in mind harmful effects of alcohol. And diabetes mellitus. There are 2 types of diabetes. One is type 1, another one is type 2. Type 1 is insulin dependent. They are dependent for the insulin, that is a type 1 diabetic, and the non-insulin dependent, that is the type 2 mellitus. And detailed explanations are there in your guide. Please refer to that. And prevention and control. All the drugs or tobacco, what are the prevention, how we can able to control. These are the points. You can take it as a 3 or maximum 5 points. You can write in your own, or you can read and you can understand what are the measures to take a prevention and necessary steps to be controlled all these things, and you can write any 5 points in that. And types of cancer. Another again 2 diseases we are going to see in this lesson. One is cancer, another one is AIDS. And first one is cancer. The types of cancer. There are many types of cancer. What are the types of cancer? How it is affecting? All the detailed explanations you should write. From each types of cancer, you should write at least 2 points from the each question. Next, HIV. How the HIV symptoms and prevention. How we are getting the HIV from one person to another person. That also you have a 5 points from that textbook. Learn to that. And symptoms. While we get the HIV, what are the symptoms? That also you can write any 5 points from your textbooks. Okay. And the next lesson is environmental management. Environmental fully depends upon the plants and forest, deforestation, afforestation. All detailed explanations are there. And what is meant by deforestation and what is meant by afforestation? Learn that. What are the necessary steps to taken for the deforestation, and effects of deforestation, and importance of forest. Afforestation is so important. That also you can write in a 5 point. Might they be asking in a 4 more questions. Okay. And conservation and soil erosion. Now, many times a student may have confusion in soil erosion and corrosion. corrosion is a chemistry part and soil erosion is a biology part. Don't compare all both the things together. Many times children might answer for soil erosion as a corrosion and corrosion as a soil erosion. Soil erosion is different part. So don't compare all these things. And conservation, how we can conserve the soil and the plants to make our environmental good. And conventional and non-conventional energy. What are the energies are there? In that energy, what is the conventional energy and what is non-conventional energy? And next one is to save water, that is rainwater harvesting. What are the steps, measures taken by the government as well as by the public, the rainwater harvesting? You just make over at least 5 points from each of the topics. And e-waste management and sewage. You have a separate topics in that, and both the topics you learn and what are the given in the segment, all the important topic if you learn, you might score good marks. And the last I already told is the visual communication. It is a computer science lesson. It's a very easy lesson. Only 3 subtopics are there. What is meant by file and what is meant by folder and what is meant by scratch. Or only these things if you learn, you can get at least 2 or 3 marks from this lesson. Put more attention into this lesson. They can ask even 4 mark question from this lesson. So we are expecting only 1 mark and 2 mark from this lesson. So put a hard work while they will be asking and twisting and asking questions will be more in science, because more students are getting a 75 out of 75. You can understand what I said, go through it and take more effort. Children, hope you are happy of the important topics in our science, as well as we explained chemistry, physics as well as biology. I already told each and every subdivision how many marks you can score. First, proceed how you will be going to your exam in science. First, you are entering to exam and you are having a question paper. First, go through the one words. If you know the one word, start writing your one words. Don't write anything on the question paper. Except your register number, nothing should be written in the question paper. Don't tick any marks. If you know, you can write. If you want any rough paper or rough columns, please draw the rough column on the last page, or in between you can draw the half sides of the rough and write it is a rough copy. And you can do the problem sums there. Otherwise, sometimes I told you to remember the constant values, Avogadro number or gram weight, and some importance and all I told you to when you are entering into the exam hall and receiving your paper and suddenly you write that, then afterwards you will forget everything, like that also I said. So first you write all these things which you need, the values, everything you will be remember. So first write the values in the right hand column of the paper. After, if it is needed, you can use for the problems. Many problem oriented sums only you will get in a public examination. It depends upon only in the physics as well as chemistry. So go through all the problem sums which is there in the textbook, book back, as well as inside the work problem sums and non-work problem sums. So go through that, and after doing your sums, don't remember put a unit for that. Definitely you should put a unit only, you will get full marks. While you are writing the problem sum, first you should write the formula for that, and substitution will be there, and cancellation or division, something like that, and then you will be writing the answer, and you should be write the last unit. Afterwards you should finish your paper. Okay. And next, while you are going, which section you know very well. Some will go with the 2 marks, or some will go with the 5 marks, or some will go with the choose, which you know very well. A mind will be prepared, which you know very well, that you will start from that. Even it is a 7 mark also, never matter. You just go with your 7 mark question and you will pass to a 4 mark or 2 mark or last 1 mark. So don't leave any questions, I don't know, without knowing I can't able to write. Whatever you know about, oriented to the topic. No need to avoid anything. So you can get least marks very easy in science, because 75 out of 75. If you focus in physics, you will get 28 marks. If you focus in chemistry, you will get 28 marks. And if you focus in biology, you will get more than 40 marks. You can separate it and learn. Good studying students can put a more effort and learn book back exercises fully. Not only for the 1 mark question, all the 2 marks, 4 marks and 7 marks, the short, more to know, and hint columns and all given in your textbook. Each and every page you should turn and mark that more to know, and a detailed explanation and what is this and you should be remember of first revision, second revision, third revision question paper you learn, and you can get more question paper from other districts also and learn everything and make a effort on it. I hope you can get 75 or 75 on science. Hope you can enjoy. You can enjoy in this video what are the important points I said. Work it out, children. All the best for your public exam. Stay home and stay safe. Already I told you, study at home.